Okay, part 24 of the truck project, pushing on with the front end setup. Anyway, I've got an engine plate in it now, and I've made some mounts and various other bits and pieces, but yeah, so I've put a few extra bars in here and there. This is all mock-up, needs to be final welded, but anyway, this is where it's going, so yeah. So should be plenty strong. It's got an engine plate, and I've done some rubber mounts for it. Well, these are my they're a bolt-on to the engine plate, but they are actually rubber mounted. I have a rubber mount from I think it's a 56, 57 chev. So anyway, yeah, so rubber mounted, so not completely solid, but yeah, so did some bracketry underneath. There's some extra metal under there. That's my theory on a bracket. These are to be drilled, and I need to put the engine in and work out the driveline angle and all the rest of it, but for the moment this is just a quick update on what's happening. Yeah, it's a Stewart pump. That's some nice CV serpentine belt drives and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that's where we are at the moment. So, oh god, hang on. I'm pressing the zoom. Anyway, so yeah, so that's where we are now. I've put some extra bars in just to give it a bit more strength, and yeah, so that's where we are today. Yeah, it's been a big week, welding, cutting, designing, making stuff, but anyway, so yeah, and that's actually where the engine plate is going to stay. Yeah, beside this will be bolted to the timing cover and then onto the block itself. So the engine does have a fair bit of setback. It's set back as far as I can get it, probably as low as I can get it. So it's yeah, that's as good as it's going to get for now. Radiators to be mounted next, but anyway, potentially it's going to be laid back like that in its final fit up. There'll be an air gap at the top, so we can breathe over the top, maybe some oil coolers in there and bits and pieces. But anyway, so that's where we are today. Yeah, engine plate in. Yeah, so that's sort of what it looks like at this moment in time. So anyway, that's the end of part 24, fast one, and yeah, I'll fit the block up to the plate and all the rest of it, and I'll get this all sorted next week, and yeah. Anyway, cheers.